When considering the most dangerous animals to humans, factors such as the frequency of attacks, the potential for fatal outcomes, and the likelihood of encountering the animal, play a significant role. While large predators like lions and sharks often come to mind, some of the deadliest creatures are surprisingly small and widespread. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 15 most dangerous animals to the humans. Let's start. Bears, especially grizzlies and polar bears, can be aggressive and attack humans if provoked or surprised. Wolves can attack humans, particularly in regions where they feel threatened, or where the food is scarce. While shark attacks are rare, they can be fatal due to severe injuries and blood loss. The venom in box jellyfish is extremely potent, and can cause cardiac arrest, paralysis, or death within minutes. Lions are apex predators and can attack humans, particularly in areas where their habitats overlap with human settlements. Elephants can become aggressive, especially when threatened or protecting their young, and can trample or gore humans. Despite their seemingly docile appearance, hippos are highly aggressive and can capsize boats, or attack humans on land. Crocodiles are aggressive predators that can attack humans near water bodies. Tsetse flies transmit African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness, which can be fatal if untreated. Assassin bugs insects transmit Trypanosoma cruzi, the parasite that causes Chagas disease. Freshwater snails carry parasitic worms that cause schistosomiasis, a disease that can damage organs and be fatal. Dogs, particularly stray or improperly trained ones, can attack humans and transmit rabies. Venomous snake bites can cause paralysis, tissue damage, and death if not treated promptly. Human violence, including wars, homicides, and other conflicts, results in significant fatalities. Mosquitoes are responsible for transmitting deadly diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever. These animals may not be the most visible threats in everyday life, but they contribute to more fatalities than we might expect. Always be cautious and respect wildlife when traveling or living in areas where these creatures are common.